So, I'm getting a little aggravated these days, which is not unlike me, by the abject stupidity of the nouveau trendies drinking in bars. There's always been stupid people, and there's always been trendies, and occasionally these two types converge and walk into a bar as one. It's the people drinking Grey Goose and cranberry that I'm talking about. You know who you are. I mean, why buy a premium vodka and then sully it with juice from concentrate? Why? I mean, I know the reason. The reason is that you're a small-minded fool with a small amount of expendable income which you've chosen to spend on a well-advertised premium beverage that someone you think is cool once drank. It's an insult to the beverage. You're ordering it because you think it will make you look as cool as your hero, whoever that might be. Which is exactly the same reason that I used to order a martini shaken and not stirred, because that's how James Bond has it, and I thought James Bond was cool. I still do. But the last time I had a martini shaken and not stirred, I was 9 years old. Because I realized that a martini should only be stirred, otherwise it becomes too watery. And then I thought, fuck this, I'm going to drink straight liquor, room temperature. Let's get to know these beverages. And so started my love affair with gin, neat gin, room temperature. It was a long and arduous affair as these things go. And after a number of years I realized that not only had I aged significantly, but also I had no money and no real friends to speak of. That's when a little slice of history came back to me, and I recalled that gin nearly brought Britain to a standstill. Because it was cheaper than beer, it was the beverage of choice for the working poor, who, once they sampled it, became known simply as the poor. Because no work was getting done. Everyone was just lying around in a drunken stupor. Anyway, I don't regret my gin days. I look at it as a love affair that went awry. You know, it was part of my learning curve, my coming of age, my graduation. But my original point was about you people ordering drinks in order to create an image for yourself. Listen, it's not about how you look, it's about how it makes you feel. So take time, research, find out what you like, what you really like. And if after all that you find that you really do like Grey Goose and cranberry, that's your drink, well then my friend, you're either a 3-year-old girl who has lost her dolly or a total fucking prick. Grey Goose. Delicious, just on its own. That's the shit.